Okay, so let's first understand bubble sort theory. So bubble sort will push the biggest value at the end at every iteration or every pass. Okay, so let's see an example. Here is the array, you can see the values. Now we are going to pick up first value, 0th index, and comparing with 1 first index. Okay, 0th index with first index. Now its value is 6 and 4. 4 is less than 6, so we swap these values. Now we are comparing index number 1 with index number 2. It means 6 and 1, and now 1 is less than 6, so swap this. Now comparing index number 2 with index number 3, 6 and 2, so 2 is less than 6, swapping this. Again here we are comparing index number 3 with index number 4. Its values are 5 and 6, so 5 is less than 6, so again swap. Now you can see 6 is at its original position. It means 6 is now sorted. Okay, so after that we have to again start with the beginning. So let's pick up 4 now and compare it with 1, and now you can see in second array 1 is at 0th index and now 4 is at first index. Now comparing 4 with 2. Okay, so 2 is less than 4, so again swap. Now again compare 4 with 5, but 5 is greater than 4, so there is no need to swap. Okay, and also so there is no need to check 5 and 6 because already 6 is sorted. Okay, so let's see algorithm. Now you can see here first loop, and here is the nested loop, nested for loop, and here is the condition. Okay, so let's understand this algorithm by example. So here is our array. Now initially I is 0. Okay, so I is 0, it means here this. Okay, now array length, this array length is 4. Okay, our array's length is 4, 0 to 4. Now we are in this nested loop. Okay, so first of all we need to, it means array's length minus I. Okay, so what is I now? 0, and array's length is 4, so it will 4 I, array's length minus I 4. Okay, so now this loop will go from 0 to array's length minus I. Okay, so it is 4. Now j is equal to 0. Now j is equal to 0 and we are going into this loop. Okay, so here is the condition, j plus 1, if j plus 1 is less than array j, then swap. Okay, so what it means, what is j now? J is now 0. So let's see this condition. So j plus 1 is 1 and j is 0. So let's check j plus 1, it means 4 is less than j. Yes, it is true, 4 is less than j, so swap this. Okay, so we now let's swap this. So 4 is at j and 6 is at j plus 1. So let's increase j by 1, so j is now 1. Now again this condition, so j and j plus 1, so here also j plus 1 is less than j, so again swap. so 6 is here. Now j is 2, so here is the second index and its value is 6, and j plus 1 is 3 and its value is 2. So 2 is less than 6. It means j plus 1 is less than array of j. So again swap. Now j's value is 3. So here is 3 and j plus 1 is 4. Now again this condition is going to true. Now again swap these values 6 and 5. So finally you are getting 6 at its correct position. Okay, so this is for only I is equal to 0. Now I will become 1 and j will again start from 0 here, but the only change is going to here, because there is no need to again change, there is no need to again check here, check condition for this last index. Okay, because in past iteration we have already sorted these 6. Okay, so we are minusing that index number. Okay, so here now I become 1, so array length minus 1, it means 4 minus 1 3. So we will only check conditions from 0 to 3. Okay, and so on. I hope you understand this algorithm.